Hello dear Taurus, welcome to my channel and this is your 4th week reading, August 18 to 24th, exclusive love reading plus career reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your love life, you've got the 10 of stars and the Papes card. Alright, I could see that you're dealing with a Gemini Sun Moon rising, or you could have a Gemini Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart, not necessary, but this particular sign popped out. This might not resonate with everyone, so you can ignore the Sun Moon rising sign. I do see that you're carrying a lot of pain and hurt regarding a situation that happened in the past. Probably this situation, this fight, or this has led to some sort of broken contact, communication, right, where you both might be separated from each other. I do see that either you or your partner walked away after a fight or argument or misunderstanding. Right now, you or your partner, roles can be reversed at any time, are overthinking a particular matter. You are a wise person. You don't want to make an impulsive decision, and that is why you're thinking it through. And this can be applied equally to your partner as well. That if you're wondering what is taking so long for your partner to come back or to unblock you or to start the communication with you just like you used to, normally, then that's the situation. Right now, they are procrastinating. Right now, they are thinking it through. Right now, they are overthinking to the point where they are weighing the pros and cons, whether they should give you another chance or not, or this relationship is worth it or not, right? But soon they are going to take an action. The delay that is happening in your union is because your partner is really deep into it. They don't want to make a wrong decision or wrong choice, right? And similarly, it applies to you. Please do not be impulsive when you're making a choice, right? But also do not procrastinate to the extent where the other partner doesn't want to be with you, right? Where they just stop thinking about you at all. So please, yes, take your time in taking a decision, but at the same time, do not delay it beyond it is required. So please make sure that a timely action is also very much required. If any time you get stuck on you don't know which path to take, one way to understand which is the right path for you is to follow your intuition. I do see that your intuition will be of great support to you. It will guide you. It will tell you if this is the right path for you or not. And if you're still stuck, you can always book a personal reading for yourself to clarify the answer for you. Now let's see what's happening in your career. You've got the 10 of Spades and the Prince card. Wow. Beautiful cards for your career, whether you are in a job or you have your own business or you are preparing for a competitive exam or higher studies. I do see that your life has been very slow in terms of money, success, growth, promotion, but this week you will see rapid movement, rapid developments. I do see that progress will be shown to you, okay, in terms of appreciation, letter, promotion, salary hike, bonus, or more customers. Something is happening this week which will show you that things are improving and moving at a faster rate, okay. Yes, they have been slow for quite a few months or years as well for some of you, but now soon you will be reaching a place where you always desired to be and deserve to be. You will be in a place of prince or princess, which means that you will be given the authority, you will be given that status, that money, that comfort that you deserved and worked so hard for. All that is coming your way this week. I also see despite the success that you will be meeting this week, you are still very kind, like you care for the people around you, your juniors, your colleagues, your servants, and that's a very good thing, right? So yes, you are respected, highly respected in the society, and if you were not in the past, you will be respected now. Okay. So if that was something that you did not receive from the people this week, you will see that automatically, thanks to your work, your hard work, or your patience, your time is changing and it's giving you very good results. So this week looks beautiful for you guys. I understand that personal life can look challenging right now in terms of a decision that you have to take or your partner have to take, and the waiting game is killing you, but everything is happening at the right time. And yes, this was a reading for Sun Moon Rising Taurus. If you have a personal question which was not covered in this reading, very specific question related to your life, whether that's health, studies, business, money, career, anything, you can ask me in the personal reading. I also take rituals and counseling sessions as well. So if you would like to go for any other service, that's also available. I have exclusive no contact readings, also love readings also, and a different type of packages available for single people, for love people, for career people, which comes with a free remedy. So please check out the description box and email me to make any booking, or directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. All these things are mentioned in my description box. And guys, please, if you resonated with this reading, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram for more details. Right? You will be staying updated with the prices as well. The prices are very budgeted. The packages are under 1,000 rupees, which comes with 4 questions and a free remedy. Okay. Other than that, if you only want to ask one question, that starts at 215 rupees. And I also have audio video call sessions and spiritual counseling sessions, like I mentioned. Spiritual counseling sessions also come with a free remedy that's actually for people who are really broken in life, who want to talk to, and who are feeling so stuck that they need a remedy, right? So share this video with your friend and family who you think also need that kind of therapy, and with whom this video will be relatable. So yes, this was your weekly reading. I'm going to see you very soon. So take care and bye bye.